Welcome to this lesson on intonation in lists. In English, when we speak a list of items, we use a special pattern with our voice. For example, when saying, "I bought apples, bananas, and oranges," the way we say these words creates a natural rhythm that native speakers use every day. Let's learn how to do this correctly. Intonation is the rise and fall of your voice pitch as you speak. Think of it like the melody of your words. It shows your emotions, emphasizes important information, and helps show the grammar structure of what you are saying. In English, we use intonation constantly to communicate meaning, not just with words, but with our voice too. When we speak a list of items, we must use a special intonation pattern. This pattern tells the listener that we are listing things and more items are coming. For example, in apples, bananas, and oranges, we use a rising and falling pattern. This pattern creates a natural rhythm and makes you sound like a native English speaker. The pattern for list intonation is simple. First, the items in the list rise slightly in pitch. Say apples with your voice going up, then bananas also going up. This rising pitch tells the listener more items are coming, but the last item, the word and oranges, falls in pitch. This falling pitch tells the listener the list is complete. Up, up, down. Let's focus on how this sounds. The words apples, bananas should rise as you say them. Your voice pitch goes up. Then, and oranges falls down. You can hear and feel this pattern. Listen carefully to native speakers when they say lists. You will notice this rising then falling pattern every time. This is what makes English sound natural and easy to understand. Now it's your turn to practice. Say apples, bananas, and let your voice rise as you speak these words. Feel your pitch going up, then say and oranges and let your voice fall down. Drop your pitch. Practice this many times. Say other lists too, like cats, dogs, and birds. Keep the same pattern, rise for the items, fall for the last one. Practice makes perfect. Let's review what we learned. First, items in a list rise in pitch. Say them like your voice is going up. Second, the last item falls in pitch. Your voice goes down. Third, this creates a natural rhythm that sounds like native speakers. Remember this pattern for all lists in English. Use rising pitch for items, falling pitch for the last one. With practice, this will become natural and automatic for you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.